And finally, part C for number 15 says, use the above wanted region to find the maximum and the minimum value of 2x plus 3y. So we need to find the minimum and the maximum values of 2x plus 3y. So what we do is, we go back to our graph of the wanted region, which is here. This is our graph. One thing I can tell you is that if you are looking for the minimum or the maximum values, they are always at the corners, okay? They are always at the edges. So there's one corner here, or one edge, or one vertex. There's another one here. There is this one here, and then there is that. So the minimum value or the maximum value is always at the edge of a given shape. It is not outside the shape, but it is at the edge of the shape. That means it is on the boundary. So on this edge here, we have points 2 and 4, right? Because we read like this, you come down 2 and 4. So one of the points that possibly contains the minimum or the maximum value is point 2 and 4. So I have identified one point. I have point 2 and 4. I'm listing points first, and then we come and test for the maximum and the minimum. So there's a point here that I've taken already. There's another point here, which is going to be 2 and 2. So the second point that is possibly the minimum or maximum for a given point, there's another point there. It is 2 and 2. And then again, the third point is in the next corner here. And this corner here, what does it contain? This corner contains 0. No, it contains 6 and 0 because it is on the x-axis. So we have here a point of 6 and 0. So you just come and list another point here. Someone can mark them A, B, and C. You can name the corners and then you name the points with the same, no problem. So that is the third point, 6 and 0. And then the last point is here, which corresponds to 6 and 4. 6 is x, y is 4. That is our last point, 6 and 4. So the last point here is what? 6 and 4. That is our last point. What do we do here now? Remember, these are the values of x, this is y, this is x, this is y. Always the first one is x, the second one is y for any coordinate point. So what we just need to do is, we substitute for this point and we get the value. Substitute for the next point up to the end. So for the point 2 and 4, we shall have 2x plus 3y being equal to 2. What is our x? Our x is 2, this one, plus 3 times our y is 4. So this gives us here 4 plus 12, right? And this is 16. 4 plus 12, I'm getting 16. So this is the value for the first point. And then we also go to the value for the second point. Second point is 2 and 2. So we shall say 2x plus 3y equals to 2 times x is 2 plus 3 times y is 2. This is 4 plus 6. This is 10. That is for the second point. And then now for the third point, I'm going to do it here. Third point is 6 and 0. So we shall have 2x plus 3y equals to 2 times our x is 6 plus 3 times our y is 0. This gives us 12, right? Yes. And then we go now to the last point, which is 6 and 4. This is x and that is y. So we shall have 2x plus 3y being equal to 2. X is 6 plus 3 and y is 12 and y is 4. Sorry. X is 6, y is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 12, we get 24. So The first point is there. So these are the values, right? Those are the values. And what was the question saying? Use the above wanted region to find the maximum and the minimum value of this. So the maximum value, you just come and look at these values, 16, 12, 10, and 24. So the maximum value, as you can see, is what? 24. And the minimum value is the smallest value. Minimum value is the smallest value, which you can see there clearly that it is 10. So this is the solution for the minimum and the maximum value of 2x plus 3y of the question number 15. Yeah, this question has taken us time. I think it is the one that has taken the maximum amount of any time that we have spent in this paper. Otherwise, it was worth it. These resources are brought to you by Vision Plus, and we say thank you for learning with us.